Now let's consider this question. Calculate 15% of $240. Calculate 15% of $240. The first thing we do is that this 15%, let's change it in fraction form. Now the word percent, percent. The per simply means division, or you can make it as this sign. So this sign is a per, and the cent over here means 100. So percent, and the 15. So we put the 15 over here. 15% in fraction is 15 over 100 times 240. So 15 over 100 times 240. This zero cancels this zero. Also, 5 goes into 10 two times and goes into 15 three times. Now we have 3 over 2 times 240. Sorry, times 24. Now 2 goes here 1 and goes into 24 12, and 3 times 12. 3 times 12 is 36. So our final answer is $36. That's how we can find a percentage of a quantity. So first of all, you can change the percentage into fraction and then you multiply it by that quantity. Or first of all, when we change the percentage to fraction, so we can change this fraction also into decimal. Now you just have to move 2 decimal places to the left. Then you have 0.15. So 0.15, then we multiply 0.15 times 240, and that one will give us 36. Let's also consider this one. Find 32% of $1,250. First of all, 32% is expressed in a fraction as 32 over 100. Then we multiply it by the number. Now over here, we can ignore the dollar sign, and then in our final answer, we bring it. So over here too, this 0 cancels this 0. 5 goes into 10 2 times, and it also goes into 125 25 times. And then we have 2 also goes into 1 and goes into 32 16. We have 16 times 25, which gives you 400. So 32% of 1,250 is $400. Or otherwise, when you change the 32% into fraction, you can also convert it into decimal as 0.32, and then you multiply it by the number 1250. And 0.32 times 1250, if you multiply the decimal by this quantity, you shall get 400, and then you add your final answer to it. So this is how we can change, or we can find a percentage of a quantity.